In a world where quality defines trust, one institution stands at the center of India's safety, compliance, and advanced learning: the Institute of Good Manufacturing Practices, India. Recognized by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, accredited by the Ministry of Education, approved by FSSAI, and licensed by the Bureau of Indian Standards, IGMPI has become a nationally trusted name in GMP, quality, nutrition, and regulatory training. With a team of experts from pharma, healthcare, food, and nutrition industries, IGMPI transforms ever-changing global guidelines into practical, industry-ready learning. From GMP, quality assurance, healthcare, food and nutrition to emerging domains like geoinformatics and remote sensing, IGMPI equips professionals to stay ahead of the future. Guided by our visionary leaders like Dr. Mahesh Gupta, Dr. Syed Abbas, and Mr. Vinod Kumar Arora, IGMPI continues to build skilled, confident, and industry-ready professionals across India and beyond. At the core of IGMPI stands a center dedicated to advancing one of humanity's essential pillars: evidence-based nutrition for improved health and well-being. And our Center for Nutrition and Dietetics Studies, CNDS, IGMPI served as a nutrition jury member of the Nutri-Conclave at Healthcare Awards 2025, with Director Syed Abbas representing the institute at the event. IGMPI is also licensed and certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards and recognized by the Quality Council of India for its industry-aligned academic and training excellence. The institute has received honors including the BIS Award of Honor in 2023, QCI's DL Shah National Quality Award, and the ASSOCHAM Services Excellence Award. IGMPI is an institutional member of the International Society for Quality in Healthcare. IGMPI's accreditations and membership strengthen its national standing in the pharmaceutical, food, nutrition, and healthcare education.
We are from IGMPI, where we provide training to different teams, whether they are in pharma or they are in nutrition, in different areas we provide training. Recently, BIS has audited our facility there, and they have given us a certification for which we are very happy. If you look at the certification process, initially there was a pre-audit wherein they looked at our different processes, and they gave their feedback saying that this is where we need to improve upon, etc.
Here, thousands of students discover how the right food can heal, protect, and transform lives. Through classroom learning, research-based dissertation, field training, and flexible online programs, CNDS makes high-quality nutrition education accessible to all. From comprehensive programs in nutrition and dietetics to advanced specializations in diabetes education, Paediatric Nutrition, Nutritional Oncology, Ayurvedic Nutrition, Obesity and Weight Management, Clinical Diabetology, Gastroenterology and Hepatology.
विदाउट द फूड, मतलब नॉर्मली जब आप खाना खाते हो तो आपकी बॉडी में GLP-1 बनता है और वो आपकी ब्रेन में जाके आपको सटाइटी की फीलिंग देता है, प्लस पैंक्रियाज को इंड्यूस करता है सो दैट इंसुलिन रिलीज हो. बट यहाँ पर अगर आप बाहर से आप एनालॉग्स दे रहे हैं तो विदाउट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फूड डायरेक्टली आपकी पैंक्रियाज इंसुलिन भी बना रही है, तो एक्चुअली इट इज़ हेल्पफुल फॉर द डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स और ये हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया के रिस्क को काफ़ी कम कर देता है और अदर बेनिफिट्स भी देता है, लाइक इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी को भी बढ़ाता है. बट जब आप इसकी ओबेसिटी की यूज़ को देख रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर आपको विदाउट द कंजम्पशन ऑफ फूड यू आर फीलिंग द सटाइटी, तो इसकी वजह से ओवरऑल कंजम्पशन ऑफ फूड आपका कम हो रहा है.
Every course is designed with one purpose: to meet real industry needs and shape confident professionals for the future. Students learn from expert faculty from nutrition, dietetics, pharma, healthcare, and food sciences, supported by advanced labs, modern teaching tools, and industry-relevant practical exposure.
IGMPI, we are dealing in pharmaceutical, healthcare, food and nutrition, these four industries. We are imparting training, we are imparting GMP training, good manufacturing practices training, and we started this kind of training in India.
At CNDS, learning doesn't stay inside the classroom. Students step into hospitals, clinics, and industry environments, gaining hands-on experience with the latest diet plans, nutritional therapies, and real-world health challenges. With interactive teaching, clear guidance, and personalized mentoring, CNDS ensures every learner can translate knowledge into meaningful impact. Here, nutrition becomes more than a subject. It becomes a commitment to better lives.